Ito po ang DTF machine sa Robinson Novaliches. Araw-araw namin ito nagagamit. Na may 51 meters kaming nairan dito this week. Ito po ang heads. Cupping, good and working. Head clean. Nasaan ang wiper after head clean? Nozzle check. Buo naman ang nozzle check. Temperature check, normal. Tama lang ang ink system. Wasting tank na linis every Friday. Tama lang ang ink system. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Daily workload. Consumables withdrawal. Physical inventory. SRR na receive na. Maintenance checklist updated. Maraming salamat po.